Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install LibreOffice on your Windows 11 operating system. So LibreOffice is a free and powerful office suite, and it's generally seen as a free alternative for the Microsoft Office suite. So let's see how we can install it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for LibreOffice. And the first link which will appear here will be from libreoffice.org. So we are going to just click on this link. And once you click on the link, you will be able to see this website. You can see the download button here, and you can see the download tab on the top. So you can download LibreOffice for Windows by clicking on the first option which says download LibreOffice, and you will be able to see this web page. So here you can see the latest version at the time of making this video is LibreOffice 7.2.2, and from here you can choose the Windows operating system 64-bit and then click on download. And once you click on the download button, it's going to download this LibreOffice.msi file. So just wait for the download to complete. And once this .msi file is downloaded, just click on this MSI file and then minimize the browser. And now you can see the Windows installer for LibreOffice has been started. So on this first page, you just need to click on the next button. And from here you can choose between two options, typical and custom. I generally go with the typical option and then click on next. And then just leave this checkbox as checked, which is going to create a shortcut on your desktop, right? There is this second option here also which says load LibreOffice during the system startup. I generally leave it as unchecked, and then I'm going to just click on install, which is going to start the installation of LibreOffice. In between you will see this warning, just click on yes here, and now you can see the installation has been started. So just wait for this progress bar to reach to the 100% mark. And once the installation of this LibreOffice app is finished, you will see this message which says installation wizard completed. So you can just click on finish now, and you can see the LibreOffice icon has been created on your desktop. So from here you can click on LibreOffice icon, or you can click on the Windows Start icon and then search for LibreOffice here. So just search for Libre, and you can see the LibreOffice suite comes with different tools, right? So LibreOffice Writer is generally compared to MS Word. You also have LibreOffice Calc, which is comparable with the MS Excel. Also, you have all these options here, right? So in order to open LibreOffice, you can click on this shortcut icon on your desktop, which is going to start LibreOffice. And once LibreOffice is started on your Windows operating system, you can open any tool within LibreOffice. So as I said, Writer document is the direct alternative for MS Word. Calc spreadsheet is the alternative for your Excel, and Impress presentation is the alternative for your MS PowerPoint. You also have drawing, math formula, base database. So these all tools are available here. So let's open the Writer document. Using this Writer document, you can create the document like MS Word, and then you can save them and just share your Word document file. And you might have observed that this suite looks like Microsoft Office Word, right? You can also save this file as Microsoft Word file. You can see you have all these options here, right? So this is how you can download and install LibreOffice on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.